Guys, uh, first of all, I remember that this is not financial advice. This is my barely opinion. People that trade CFD lose money, about 70 to 90% of them. So please think with your own mind and take my word not for granted. This is my opinion and this is the way I do and the way I trade the market. It doesn't mean that you have to do it too. Okay, so what it happened is that we made a bunch of money on the gold. How did we do it? So let me show you. This is today, the 1st of February, and not many people will know, but today at 2.30, the federal government of the United States, the Federal Reserve raised the interest rates. But we didn't care because we weren't on the market by the time the news were released. So we made our trade on yesterday. I think it was like about 7, no, it was 8 p.m. around something, not something like that. Maybe we can see it back. Yeah, it was 9 p.m. So how did we do those trades? But wait, we lose money. We lose a bunch of money on the gold. I want to show you all the record. Okay, so we're gonna start with those that were like just positioned to get started, and I mean I was just taking more fluid with the market and positioning some orders. So after that, all this being recorded, from now then, we were on this trade. We were like 1,500. It's on the record on the latest video that I upload on the channel, so you can see that. But it was like something around 1,040 and 400. Yeah. So basically, after that, I started to trade gold on my own way. The strategy that I use on gold is backtested on 2020 through 2022. So basically, it was just that I knew that price of the gold was trying to kick some people out, and as you can see, we lose a really bunch of money right there. But we managed to keep some margin with this trade. Then already we lose another time, but not so much. As you can see, this is a little bit like 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 of the account margin total, not including the profits that we make. Because remember, when you make profits all the time, you are increasing your margin because you have more money simply. So after that, I knew price was gonna be rejected from this area for sure. I followed the price. I didn't put so much, as you can see, I didn't put so much lots. I didn't buy so much contracts, sell in this case, but until I was sure that the market was gonna do what I wanted him to do. So with this 2, 3, 4 trade, we made like all the amount and more that we lose. So I started doing again. I lose a bunch of money right there, and then I knew that the most volume dense area that was like in this exact price. Okay, so basically what I wanted to do in the first place was to sell at this price. Okay, those two prices, but to not me let off the moves. So sometimes the market is not gonna fill your order. The price is not gonna go in the buy zone that you want him to go. So you have to do something that I like to do. That's basically to follow the price and keeping a really strict money management, so you know when you have to stop with this strategy. But I'm telling you, this is not financial advice. This is the way I trade the market. And for my money management, this was for sure the best way to enter the market. And as you can see with this trade, we made like about half of the account. So, as you can see, you can trade with the lower margin. You can make a bunch of money like that. I made 2% with one trade on this 500 euro. That 500 that I make about USD JPY. Then you can progress also to lose money, but to make it more. Another 500. Right there, another 500. And right there, 1,675 with one trade. Let me show you where the price was right there. So this is not a huge move, guys. It's 7 point on the gold, and that's something that you can predict over in time to get a statistical advantage over the market to do. So we're gonna go back on the 9 p.m. Yeah, it's about right there. So we enter the market right here. Okay, let's keep it in mind. 1,090.30. Our stop was like above here, and the market from these points started to drop, as you can see. Right there at 4 in the night, the market was barely to 8 hours our take profit, but it jumped high all the way almost to the closure, to the break-even zone, but it was all the way in margin. So we stayed in the position and we take, as you can see, a profit like right there, 1,090.30. So gonna show you like this. This is the huge move that I lose money on that, and this is the move that it do today. I know that today market was gonna be choppy, as you can see. It goes up and like all the way down, and then it gets up again. So what we want to do, okay guys, is to manage our okay guys, I want to make it simple. We have to manage, okay, how much money we are gonna lose per trade that we make. Okay, it's important to keep it in mind. So as you can see, well, I sell it the market right there with a stop right there, and I take the profit all the way there. I trade not a move that all the traders do, but in a way that you can profit on that too over the time. Because you know, it's a demo. I don't want you to hide it. It's a demo. I write it also. I'm not trading real at the moment. This is not real trading. It's a demo account. So what we basically wanted to do was to take advantage of the position that I knew that today's market was gonna be hit like a little before, because I was conservative with the take profit, and I did it well, because if I wanted like a take profit right there where the market bottom today in this point, I would have been stopped by the hunt. I'm not being stopped by the hunt. I trade the market. I trade the market, what I see. I'm not being stopped by the market, because I knew today there was a news and I didn't want to be involved in. So guys, we made you can do your own maths, but we make a little less than 13% in 3 days of trading. Okay, this is 27 when I stopped to understand the leverage, and then I started trading on the 30, 31, and then 1. Okay, so guys, 13% in 3 days, it's achievable. And not every time you could do that, but over the time, that money that you lose are gonna be like yielded by the margin and the profit that you make on the past. So if you make a 13% and you are gonna lose a 5%, it's gonna be less than if you lose 5% when you didn't make profit before. So guys, remember to take your own profit, to think your own strategy, and this is the way I do it. Let me know if you want, and if you listen to all of me, and seriously you are going to listen all of that me creepy stuff in those weird English. I don't know how also the audio could be and some notification on the phone, but if you did it, please comment down below with gently, okay? Thank you guys, bye bye.